morning, guys. So I'm gonna make some coffee. Drink my coffee, and then so yesterday I was planning to unbox the bed, but I was out of time. So and I got tired already. So today I'm gonna unbox the bed after I drink my coffee. So while drinking my coffee, I'm gonna watch TV. But oh, Christmas stickers, so
you have to basically not get hit for 4 seconds, and then your
so
life
pretty.
is 12.5%.
Now we are going to open the box.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I already opened the boxes of our Trundle bed. So yeah, this is our 1, 2, and the third boxes is there. Okay guys, I already unboxed everything. So this is the first thing that we are going to assemble tomorrow. So here you go. It's the railing. So here's the instruction, and this is the hardware. And I'm going to show you the rest of the parts. So the parts is here. Oh my gosh. Here you go. Lots of parts. And then there's more up here. And then Marco is very comfy up here. There you go. And okay guys, we are putting the bed together. So we are done with part 1. More to go.
Part 1 of 8 million.
Part 1 of 8 million. So the bed we'll put the bed up here. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Alright, looks pretty soft. No. It's gonna expand a lot. Where's those scissors?
This one should be done, right?
Should expand to be about 8 inches thick.
Okay, Bebe, what are we doing now? We're building.
Top bunk.
We're building the top bank. Here you go. We already started it.
The wood in the other room
It's
is
in there.
sweetheart. We need B5.
B5.
Hold on, get the list. We'll do the next step as well. So B5.
Okay. B5 and what?
B6.
B5 and B6.
B7, B8. I think it's just, and I think it's only one of each. B5, B6, B7, B8.
One of each.
I think it's only one of each. It's hard to tell by the instructions, but we'll start with one of each.
Okay. I'll go get it. Okay.
B5 through 8.
Okay, I'll go get it.
And I'll get the hardware.
I'm coming.
Hold me close till till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So what we're gonna do, Bebe? Can you tell it?
Some of the bags are combined. We separated them all out into individual bags so they're more easily identifiable as we're following the instructions.
And it's really helped to, separate them all when you're assembling it, because it's
Like there were
easy
some
to
bags
navigate.
where all the number 24s and all the 6s were in one bag for some reason. So we separated the 6s to their own bag and the 24s to their own.
And then check, sometimes they labeled it wrong. So you have to pay attention to that
Yeah,
too.
we did encounter a couple bad labels on the wood.
So we have to
Which
change and figure
was
it out.
unfortunate. I'm glad we figured it out.
Yeah, so just pay attention with the labels because they labeled it wrong. And then I suggest to separate the hardware so it's easy to navigate where is it when it's time to assemble. So yeah, this has really helped to separate everything.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So our bank bed is done. Bank bed. There you go. It's not done yet because we're gonna assemble the trundle and then the stairs up here. So anyhow, this is the bed looks like. Enough to occupy 5 kids. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the mattress protector up here. I'm gonna remove the stickers. Okay guys, so I'm going to unbox this fall mattress and then I put it here in the bottom bed because it takes a while before it's sized up. So when it's sized up, I'm gonna put the bed protector and then the sheets and then I'll put it on top. Okay guys, so we're supposed to work on the stairs tomorrow, but it was like easy, so I decided to do it myself without my husband's help, but it's so easy. So the hardest part is those bank beds and the trundle, but for now I'm just putting together the staircase. So it's very easy. I'm just gonna lay down in this floor up here and then connect all the parts. So this is what I did so far. So easy. Easy. You're just doing like a puzzle or something. And then the bolt here. 37, so 4 of the roots. Okay, that's done. And then now we're gonna attach it. Oh my good lord.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Okay guys, so we already built the staircase and then we attach it to the bed. And here's the staircase. But here you go. Here's the bunk bed. That's pretty cool. And then you can put some clothes in there.
And looking at the space, we could actually pull it out a little bit more if we wanted to.
We're done with the 2 beds and then staircase. Now, probably tomorrow, we are going to put together the trundle. We put it here underneath the bed.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, the trundle's done. So we're gonna do this. Whoop. Oh my. There you go. So you put hands in. Whoa. It's done. Okay guys, so the trundle is done. It's assembled. So here you go, our bunk bed, fall over fall plus trundle. Okay guys, I already put the twin mattress up here. Wow, that's so cool. Push this back here. That's better. There you go. Wait, you can push it the same time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Okay guys, I'm done putting the bed sheets and the comforter. So the top bunk bed, and then the bottom, and then the trundle. So ready to accommodate 5 kids. So 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, and then one in the trundle. My gosh, can you see? It's easy to slide. Oh, there you go. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ah, this is our bunk bed. Yay. Ready to accommodate 5 kids. Ayan. So we did put the comforter and then sheets and then pillow. And here as well. So that's it for our video. And thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.